to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove background hum in Descript. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the hums and ahs in different videos might be very distracting. So if you want to remove these from Descript, then all you gotta do is simply go to Descript. Once you're in your Descript AI, you need to import your file. You need to simply import it and select the audio or video clip on the timeline, and then find the audio effects section in the properties panel on the right and toggle on studio sound, letting the AI automatically process and enhance your voice by removing distractions like hums and clicks for a clean professional sound. So by doing this, you can simply remove all the distractions that are in your background of certain videos and audios and have a very clean and professional looking video. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.